Hey guys, got the Hobao out. See if I can make a pass this morning. GPS is on. There's 0. She's picking up. See if we can trim it out, get a pass in. I made my first shakedown pass with it yesterday. Car felt pretty decent, so we'll just see what we can do. Traffic is definitely picking up, guys. If I get this pass in, I'll be lucky. Okay. One more time here. I hadn't played Frogger up there. So, man, that's the case. I'm just gonna keep it a pretty short pull. I don't want anybody to come flying at me and not be able to stop. Not a bad pass. I mean, definitely could have stayed in it longer, but she's definitely going straight, and I'm proud of that. See how that was, guys. Alright. 162. Not gonna complain, guys. Not gonna complain. I appreciate you watching.